Hey, welcome to EVs Insider. In India, the demand for electric two-wheelers is increasing very fast in the midst of expensive petrol. Now people are preferring to buy electric scooter for city mobility. If you also want to buy an electric scooter, then there are many options available in the market at this time. TVS Motors recently launched the iQube electric scooter. iQube gives tough competition to the already popular electric scooter Ather 450 and Ola S1 Pro in the Indian market. These three electric scooters are quite popular right now. Today we are going to compare and tell you which scooter will be right for you to buy. First we know about its range, speed and battery one by one. Ola S1 Pro. Talking about Ola S1 Pro, an 8.5 kilowatts hyperdrive electric motor has been used in it. This motor generates 11.3 bhp power and 58 Nm torque. Its top speed is 115 km per hour. Ola claims it can deliver a real-life range of 135 km on a full charge. The electric scooter takes up to 6 hours to charge the battery with its portable home charger. TVS iQube. In comparison, the new iQube scooter gets a 3.04 kWh battery pack with the base variant, while the top spec ST trim gets a 4.56 kWh unit. TVS claims that the base variant can deliver a range of 100 km and the top spec can go up to 145 km on a full charge. The top model can charge up to 80% of its battery capacity with a portable charger in less than 5 hours. Ather 450 Plus. Talking about Ather 450, it comes with 6 kW PMS motor, which can give 5.4 kW power and 26 Nm peak torque. The company claims that the 2.9 kWh motor of the 450 can give a range of up to 116 km on a single full charge. Its top speed can reach up to 80 km per hour. It takes 3 hours 35 minutes to charge it to 80%. The scooter comes with auto cut and surge protection feature. Now know the price of all three. In terms of price, Ola S1 Pro is ahead of the other two. Its base variant starts at 85,099 rupees ex-showroom, while the TVS iQube comes with a price tag of rupees 98,564, which is around 12,000 rupees more expensive. However, the top model of the S1 Pro costs a bit more than the iQube S. The price of the top model TVS iQube ST is yet to be announced, but buyers can book it for 999 rupees. The Plus and X variants of the Ather 450 are available for rupees 1.18 to 1.38 lakh. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, click on the subscribe button below and click on the bell button next to it. See you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye.